This is past paper 2018 National 5 Chemistry. This is one of the first things you'll see is how to do the multi-choice sections. Please use it. I've had too many kids decide to write their answers actually not on the answer sheet, but actually on the question paper. Don't do it. Question 1. The word not is in the question. This indicates that you're wanting something that will slow down the reaction rather than increase. Question 2. We're looking for particles present in both the nucleus and outside. Protons and neutrons in the nucleus, electrons outside the nucleus. Question 3. Again, the word not. So you wanted something that does not have two atoms fastened together. In this case, helium, which is monatomic. Question 4. Look for the chemical formulas that would give you those shapes. CH4, NH3, H2O, or anything that's two atoms just fastened together would be linear. Question 5 is checking that you know your electron arrangement. If metals lose electrons, they become positive, and the number of electrons gives the charge. Therefore, sodium will go from 281 to 28. Question 6. This is checking that you know basic bonding arrangement properties. A would be covalent molecular, B would be ionic, C would be metallic, and D, with its high melting and boiling points and doesn't conduct at all, would be covalent network. Question 7 is a use of N over C times V. Question 7 is using N over C times V. You need to transpose the formula for C, so C equals number of moles N divided by volume. Question 8 is checking that you understand what makes up an alkaline solution. In any acid or alkaline, if it's alkaline, there's more hydroxide than hydrogen ions. In acid, more hydrogen than hydroxide. If it is neutral, there are the same amounts of each, but each is still present in the other solution. Like question 8, question 9 is checking understanding of acid and alkalis. If you dilute an acid, then the concentration of the hydrogen ions has to fall. You're adding more water that's there. Question 10. This is checking that you can change shortened formula into full structural formula. Remember, carbon can make 4 bonds, so look for the carbons that have not got a full complement of hydrogens. Question 11. Isomers. Be careful that you don't fall for the trick as we've got in B there, where they've just redrawn it with the carbon moved to the opposite end. It has to have the same molecular formula, but a different structural formula. Question 12. We are looking to change from an alkene to an alcohol, therefore we will be adding water, so the answer will be hydration. Hydrogenation is adding of hydrogen, combustion, burning, adding of oxygen, reduction, removal of oxygen. Question 13. Systematic names. The naming of any chemical follows the same rules all the way through. 5 carbons, pent. The hydroxide is on carbon number 2, or that's where the 2 comes from, and OH finishes